Welcome to my kitchen and another episode of Live Simply Well. Today we'll be making a natural granite and marble cleaner from page 80 of Julia Watkins' book, Simply Living Well, and we'll be testing it out together. To make this cleaner, you'll need 4 ingredients: a 1/4 cup of high-proof vodka or rubbing alcohol. I used rubbing alcohol. 1½ cups of water, a 1/2 teaspoon of liquid castile soap, and an optional 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Combine all the ingredients in a mixing bowl and stir thoroughly. Using a funnel, pour the mixture into a 16-ounce glass spray bottle and cap tightly. While I'm labeling and starting to test this recipe on my kitchen counter, I want to share something I learned from Julia's book about maintaining granite and marble countertops. Using the right cleaner is essential. Harsh or acidic products like vinegar, bleach, and ammonia can strip the protective sealant and cause damage. Before I knew any better, I used a vinegar water mixture on my granite in our kitchen and all 3 bathrooms, not realizing it could be harmful. While soap and water work for some, they often leave a film. A great natural alternative is alcohol. It's pH neutral, evaporates quickly, and disinfects. For a fresh scent, citrus essential oils are a great addition. Though derived from acidic fruits, they are pH neutral and safe for stone surfaces. I really enjoyed using this cleaner and learned something new in the process. I wanted a natural, effective alternative that would clean well and be safe for stone, and this one worked wonderfully to clean the granite in my kitchen. Slowly switching to natural alternatives like this is a small but meaningful step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Live Simply Well. Don't forget to subscribe for more sustainable living tips and DIYs. Until next time, keep living simply well.